Hey guys, I hope everybody's having a fantastic day. Whether you're watching this in the morning, in the afternoon, or in the evening, I'm glad you're here. Real quickly, I just wanted to thank all the channel members. Thank you, thank you, thank you. And invite any of you guys who might be coming through. If you're so inclined, please hit that subscribe button and that bell notification icon. If not, that's okay. I appreciate you being here. But if you get the chance, it would really help the channel. So this afternoon we've got an unboxing that, if I'm not mistaken, comes to us from Knife Joy. Not my normal jam, but something that I've kind of been interested in, and I'm going to use the little Amazon box cutter opener, one little titanium unboxing knife to get into this. See if we've got anything in there besides peanuts. Let's see if we got, oh yeah. There we go. All right, guys. So again, this is something I was browsing on Knife Joy because I'm a knife addict, and every now and then I'll find something different that I wasn't expecting. And what I saw that was in stock that I ordered, even though it has a deployment method that's not my number one jam, was the Mr. Designs Cipher. And this is the tanto blade. I think it's the Cipher D is the drop point blade. When I was looking at these, I kind of wrestled with it. I've got so many drop points, and again, I thought this one for a tanto did not look very aggressive. So again, they went ahead and sold out of the drop points. So I don't know, maybe I got the right one, maybe I got the wrong one, but I wanted a tanto. So this is, just so you guys know, Mr. Designs has a lot of really cool, really minimalistic's the wrong word, but EDC streamlined, we'll call it. This is designed to be an EDC knife that is very light, that is very thin, that is very much a an everyday carry, right? Comes in a nice pouch. Got a little troll candy in there. Looks like we've got a replaceable clip. By the way, this is manufactured by Bestech for Mr. Bestech is the OEM on this knife. To me, I kind of got a Shiro vibe. And if you guys know me, my premier, or the way that I really like to deploy knives, is middle finger flip them. And the first thing you'll notice when you see this one is it's not got a place to really middle finger flick it. But one of my favorite knives, the MKM slayback, does not have a flipper, or excuse me, a deployment hole. And it's one of my favorite knives because the detent's done so well. So what I'm hoping is, with this low profile flipper tab that I've heard about, that this knife has a very pleasing detent. I can already tell it's perfectly centered. Beautiful Raindrop carbon fiber, titanium back spacer, reversible clip. Then you've got this hand satin, very, very thin tanto blade. And guys, this is a full-size gentleman's knife. So when I say full-size, it's very, very light. It's an internal liner lock. Ooh, that flipper is good. I just hit the Knife Joy sticker. Did y'all see that? So again, me being a middle finger flicker, I find this to be a fantastic traditional flipper tab. When I say traditional, we're used to our flipper tabs coming out, to quote Nick Shabazz, being pocket pickers. But this guy is super smooth, comes straight up, and you've got this jimping, pushing right down, right? So when I give any pressure whatsoever to that blade, it snaps out. Perfectly locked up. I don't know how well you can see that hand satin flat grind blade, compound grind. Very nice scales. T8 hardware. Got the Mr. Logo on the pivot point or on the pivot. Let's get a piece of paper and see if she's as thin and cuts as well as I think she will. Again, a very thin, tall, flat grind. Yeah, you know how I tell you guys the sound and the drag through the paper tells me a lot? Again, I don't know much about much, but I do know I've cut a lot of paper. I hit a snag. But this is very, very slicey. It's got a very well done. I think Jared would be impressed by that sharpening choil. You can see that our plunge comes back kind of at an angle here, and your thickness stops right about here. So you can see that you've got a good many sharpenings should you need them. Let's check the sharpness of this front tanto. Oh yeah. And then a slasher. Just a fantastic little understated knife. I am, again, I went out on a limb, went out on a, what would you call it, a risk-taking experience. I'm doing more of that with the channel because I might as well take the risks and then just share my honest opinions with you guys. And I'm a knife addict, so I enjoy doing that. I can tell you I do not even feel that wire clip. Those of you who don't like wire clips might not be a fan of this. I don't believe it'll work with a Spyderco replaceable. It may. You can see it here at the end that the clip, instead of going under the screw, goes into the scales by the back spacer, and then the screw holds it down. So maybe that's compatible. Maybe it's not. But I love it because you do not feel it. This knife is very thin. When I do the review, I'll bring out my TRM Atom because I get not an Atom vibe and look, but an Atom size, feel type of warm and fuzzy when I look at this. You've got a nice little jimping here on the spine. You've got M390 blade steel, and you've got it right down here in the corner, just your little M390 symbol. But besides that, it's very sanitary besides the pivot. So guys, this is the Mr. Designs Cipher. Again, there is a Cipher D, and the Cipher D is for drop point. Again, when I saw both of these side by side, to me, this is just such a elegant tanto, or tanto, however you want to call it. I went that route. So I appreciate you guys checking out the unboxing. Here's my knife joy where I flicked it off. And here is the Mr. logo and box. Let's see. There's the social. A great follow. So that's what I'll leave it up there with. And guys, thank you so much for watching my crazy knife content, for going along this knife hike with me. I always ask and I plead that you please look out for the guy or gal to your left. Please look out for the guy or gal to your right. Look out for each other. Go forward with love in your heart. Choose debate, not hate. I love you all. Peace.